Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Oxford Mathematics. Today our topic is vector on a Cartesian plane and how to identify or find the magnitude of any vector. First, this is an example. X-axis and y-axis the point P and Q. P, which is the 4 units along x-axis, and Q, which is the 3 units along y-axis. Similarly, R and S, x-axis is 2 units and y-axis is minus 6 units. Because arrow is downward, so y component become negative. Arrow is upward, it means that y component is a positive. We can move P to Q by moving 4 units in the positive x direction with 3 units. So another way describe the vector PQ to use as a column vector PQ 4 3. 4 is the x and 3 is the y, where the first entry is a 4, which is column matrix represent the number of the units in the x direction, and the second entry, which is 3, represents entry 3 represent the number of units in the y direction. So 4 and 3 are called the component of the vector. Here x and y, upper is the x, lower is the y, where 4 is the x component and y is the y component. In this way, similarly, R S, 2 is the x component and minus 6 are the y component. Is 2 minus 6 equal to 1 or minus 3? Explain. Very simple, because to find the magnitude of PQ, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the segment PQ. So the answer is PQ 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 25 square root, which is equal to 5 units, which is equal to PQ. And similarly, the magnitude of RS. So the component of R is 2 and minus 6. 2 ka square, the square root of 2, which is equal to 4, and square of 6, which is 36. So these are not equal. And this way, the general formula, magnitude of the column vector A x y is given by x ka square plus y ka square root, which is equal to the A magnitude. Now similarly, in a particular, magnitude along horizontal and magnitude along a vertical. For horizontal component, vector B x or 0 is B vector, which is equal to x only, because x square ka square root, which is equal to x. Similarly, the vertical vector C 0 y, it means the component of x is 0 and the component of y is y. So C mod which is equal to C. In this way, we can easily understand how any vector can be represented. A vector which can be represented as a column, in which first entry, which is the x component, and the second entry, which is the y component. and when we find its magnitude, so the magnitude formula x square plus y square raised square root. Thanks for watching Math Oxford D4.